We have those live pictures that we have to share with our viewers, where there are hundreds of supporters there of the former AIADMK leader V.K. Sasikala, who have gathered in large numbers, especially in the border areas all the way to Tamil Nadu in Chennai, where it is being said they are right there at her car there, where you can see a cavalcade. They have surrounded the car completely and are welcoming her. They are showering flower petals there. There is puja that has also been done, and following this is a special arrangement that has been made to welcome on the arrival of V.K. Sasikala. There it can be seen she's sitting at the passenger seat of the car there, and her car has been completely surrounded with her supporters. The fight for Jayalalitha's legacy, it seems to be intensifying even further with the elections that are all set to take place in the state of Tamil Nadu. With the former top 8 of the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sasikala, will now be returning to Chennai, and this is happening after a gap of nearly 4 years after spending in jail in Bengaluru in a corruption case. Now, as far the latest updates is concerned, we will be going across there to our reporters there on ground, because we continuously were sharing pictures from the resort where she had left for Chennai this morning, and several rules and regulation one has to follow, and the diktats that has also been given there by the police, by the state administration there, that the followers of Sasikala need to abide with. It is now being said otherwise it will be a breach of order and her vehicles may be detained. But what is being said, that 5 vehicles only will be allowed to follow her vehicle, and the certain flag controversy that had also erupted the minute that when she was released from the jail following the COVID treatment that she was receiving there in a hospital in Bengaluru. But it is now being said that her return will clearly create ripples within the AIADMK. Apurva is with us. Let me quickly go across to her. So from Bengaluru till Chennai, we have seen the kind of supporters there who had gathered not just at the border areas but well inside Chennai as well. Apurva, if you can help those understand those live pictures that we are continuously playing, what is the exact location of Sasikala right now?
वैश्विक आतंकवाद हो, साइबर अटैक हो, दोनों
that are going on. Remember, V.K. Sasikala had started at...
Yes, please go on.
Yes, so remember, V.K. Sasikala had started at 7:30, at almost 7:30, 7:45 in the morning from Bengaluru, and she has just reached Tamil Nadu, Karnataka border. And as you can see by the grand procession that is going on there, you can see how colorful it is. In fact, several AMMK cadres have gathered there. Women are there with thalis in their hand, waiting eagerly.
Apurva, I have to just interrupt you. We're getting to know that Sagyaraj is at that very location there. Sagyaraj, the live updates that you can share with us, the location of Sasikala's car, where we are still getting those pictures on, because they are being thronged by her supporters there around the car. We can see those pictures.
Sasikala entered the borders of Tamil Nadu, that is Zuzhuwadi checkpost. You can see there are also AIADMK flags as well as AMMK flags in this particular area. There is already diktat which has been issued by Superintendent of Police, stating that nobody should use the flag of AIADMK, but still there is a violation. There is a violation of busting crackers. You can see people have taken Aarti once she entered here, and there was also a huge lineup of people who wanted to shower garland on her and also give garland to her once she entered the border. There are a huge number of people who have gathered to welcome Sasikala. From here, she'll be heading towards Hosur and Krishnagiri, and there are also a lot of plans made by supporters of Sasikala to give her a grand welcome wherever she reaches. Yes, there are instructions given to the people stating that they should not violate few laws which has been imposed by the Superintendent of Police of Krishnagiri. But still, the supporters of Sasikala have gathered and waiting for her leader to enter the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Back to you.
Well, keep speaking to us there, Sagyaraj, because as you were mentioning, the rules and instructions that have been put into place, but clearly they are not being followed. It's just a large number of following that we can see of Sasikala and her supporters there. They have completely surrounded the cars and the cars that are following Sasikala. But how much time is it really expected that she will be reaching her native place? Because we are getting to know that even more people could be there to welcome her, and on her arrival, there are special arrangements too that have been made.
You can see in the visuals there are bouncers who are escorting her. There are supporters who are prostrating in front of the car when she is coming. There are showers of garland, showers of flower on her car while she is en route from Hosur to Krishnagiri. You can see there are thousands of people who had gathered to get a glimpse of their leader Shashikala. And this is clear indication that the kind of cloud that she is enjoying amongst the people. She wants to send across a message to AIDMK, their alliance partners, that the value of Shashikala in Tamil Nadu, how she can influence the voters, how she can help the party to get the numbers. We need to wait and watch how this is going to change the dynamics of Tamil Nadu politics once
Right, so
she
there is
enters.
still time when she will be reaching Hosur there, where it is being still said that there is many of those preparations that are being done for her grand welcome. But we can see those live pictures that continue to be shared with us from our reporters there on ground. Thanks very much for the moments.